Come
Okay,
on, let's.
we can go out there, Cody, but my gosh, it looks better than it did before.
Yeah, but we're in a tornado warning now. We need to go. Need to get rolling here. Come on, let's go! Oh, it's... Let's go. Come on, let's get in here. Get in here, quick. Ah, there. Is it safe under here? Oh, wow. You really can't see anything with the trees in the way.
Also, Hall County as well. Again, the tornado was in Grand Island, near Grand Island. Also, man just reported one around St. Labori. Again, the storm has just, should have been through St. Labori, and they're getting hammered at this point. Phillips and Gilmer at about 6:45, Chapman 6:50, Aurora 7, and Marquette and Central City by 7:05. So again, be aware, seek shelter. Just seek
Yeah, I don't see any lights.
or get into an area until 7:15. Doppler radar indicating a tornado in the Grand Island area.
Oh, yeah.
40 miles an hour. St. Labori should be having that storm activity at this time. And we've got another phone call. Okay, who do we have on the phone?
Oh my gosh, that is so close.
Here we go. Jim, you're live on the air. All right, thanks a lot.
Are you sure you're safe right there?
Travel around the city of Grand Island. I mean, as you head down towards Interstate 80, it gets a lot darker in the sky. Traveling up Stolly Park Road right now, and very dark, heavier rain as you head towards the southern part of Grand Island.
You're gonna like this.
Northern part of Grand Island seems to let up on the rain just a little bit. We will go ahead and we'll travel down at what's going on with this, trying to keep you informed as much as we can. But as you head around Grand Island, looks like the southern part of town right now getting hit a lot harder by Ricky. Don't see much wind. Don't see any road later. Hey, Carmine. Hey, Jimmy. You there? Yes. Hey, Rick said he wanted to go check out that corridor headed west. Okay. So I could head east. Okay. As the group says. But I was looking at that cell, and now it looks like it's starting to break up the big, huge cell that I was talking about all the way from Gibbon to Alda. It's now kind of popped into like 5 different little cells. So we still want to keep people up to date on those cells. Okay, so which way should I? We have flash flood warnings in effect for basically the entire KSYZ listening area. So if you hear my voice, you know, let me go run over here. Let's zip over here. Let's see who's online. KSYZ, you're on here. Quiet. There we go. I'm looking for you right now. And this is Rich. Frontland and a lot of rain and some hell. Area. Okay, this is Rich, right? Yeah. Rich, and you're on Highway 30? Yeah, Highway 30. I thought it would be a good idea to come out here. Always send the night guy out on the storm chase. But here's the thing. It's about 30 land. That? What location around Alda? Yeah, right between Alda and Grand Island, almost Alda. Like I said, their storm cell has not dissipated as much. Hall County, basically all of Hall County until 7:15. 6:40, St. Labori, you're getting under the gun right now. Seek shelter. We ask you to seek shelter if you're in Phillips and Giltner, because that'll be coming through your area at about 6:45. Chapman, 6:50.
Ooh, wow.
Aurora, 7 o'clock. Marquette and Central City around 7:05. Tornado was reported in the Grand Island area with this storm. Now, that also includes Interstate 80 between the mile markers 310.
Boy, you can feel something coming.
You don't have any traveling to do.
Oh.
Get out there. Right now, we are in a major storm situation with another one following it up, just because you're going to get a little lull here in just a little while. Here in Grand Island, anyway. You're going to have another one that's coming up. Basically, the tail end is right around Gibbon at this point. Running down by the interstate, kind of does a little snake action right there at Shelton.
Let me get back here.
River and all the way to Alda. The cell, that's how big that cell is. And we'll be getting into that here in just terrible. Right north. Exactly. It actually flipped to go down 281. It's now looking at on the radar.
Good, I think we'll be okay.
Well, let's stay here just in case.